I was driving down Industraplex, doing the speed limit, going to the bank to get cash to go to the beach. And I was T-boned by a heat and air company in the driver door and knocked off the road, and everything seemed okay right then, but it wasn't. So I went to the hospital and found out that I had several injuries, both shoulders, a neck injury, a very mild low back injury that didn't give me any trouble much longer, and it also kind of messed up my female organs. So I ended up having 3 surgeries. I had a hysterectomy, 2 shoulder surgeries, and a neck fusion with Dr. Scrantz. After my accident, I didn't know where to turn. I'm a little stubborn, so I thought I could do it all on my own. And you always see all these, for lack of a better term, ambulance chasing commercials. And of course, I was home a lot watching them. I had seen Peyton's billboards. I had seen his building. I had known a gentleman who had used him in the past, and I remembered that from a conversation months prior. So I just gave them a call, and they gave me directions straight to the building. It was very easy to find, and they were very easy to hire and get to help me. Murphy Law Firm was like family for a while. Johnny on the spot. If I called and didn't get an answer, I got a call back within an hour. And they kept me abreast of everything going on step by step, and I learned a lot too. They put me at ease and made me feel confident that I had done nothing wrong and that they would prove that one way or the other, and they did just that. Murphy Law Firm, I mean, like I said, they were like family to me, and I have referred a couple of people to them. Just the fact that I didn't have to pick up the phone to call them, they were always on the phone to call me, and it was just a horrible experience turned pleasant. I could not wash my hair. I couldn't drive because I was on heavy medicine. I couldn't do my work. I was chalk painting and flipping furniture. I couldn't paint, sand, or wax. I couldn't hold a paintbrush more than 30 minutes without my hands going numb. And if I did push myself to get a job done so I could maybe pay a bill, then I couldn't sleep because I was on fire with neuropathy. Hands, feet, shoulder blades, and I'd be standing up leaning against the wall. When I came to Murphy Law Firm, I was afraid that I might have to pay a retainer to hire a lawyer, and there were no upfront costs and no retainers to pay. It was very simple. One visit, sign a paper, give them power of attorney to take care of me, and they did just that. It was a hands down done deal. It just took them a while to pay all the medical bills and for me to get all my treatment, and it was all finished quickly within a year. Peyton Murphy was like family to me. He treated me like I was his daughter. He was professional, he was efficient, he was effective, and he made me laugh a lot when I was crying. Peyton was just amazing. I would recommend him to anybody. Personable, friendly, very professional, a lot of fun, and I don't know, he calms you. He just kind of puts your mind at ease. Professionalism is just the biggest, I believe. When I think about Murphy Law Firm, what comes to mind initially is family and comfort and support and professionalism. It was a rough time, and Peyton and his staff made it fly by. Very comforting.